I'm outside right now at the canal. No, it's a terribly rainy day. There's a pond over there. I have an umbrella, but it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be up around like that grass and maybe I don't know, kind of a bit of the grass. Those trees are submerged, like quite a bit, and yeah. It's that's a lot of rain. Yeah, quick little update. That's a bridge over there. It's not supposed to be this wide. This water. Like, look, I think that's a pole. That's not supposed to be submerged. Those trees, same story as before, not supposed to be submerged. So yeah. Another update. That's like a sort of dam, and yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. Water's like maybe 1 foot. I don't know. It's too wide, and so you're supposed to be able to walk over there. There's water. It's incredibly high. Water's supposed to be under a bridge like that much. Not, you know, not like over that bridge. So, I'm in between those two rivers that are gonna, you know, split off to there and there. And, yeah, that's not normal. That's not normal. Look, neither is that. It's, no, it's starting danger zone, so that's good. I'm here, on this side now, and, yeah, I used to take this route to my GP, and, there's not supposed to be water there. See, there's a road. Can't cross it. There's water. And I don't think it's that shallow, but comes off that river. That's yeah. Almost getting on a bridge, and when you want to sit down with your feet in the water, I guess. Also, there's geese. Other side, yeah, it's not supposed to be this wide.